Hey guys, welcome to Learn Dominican Bachata, a course on footwork. In this course, you will learn footwork techniques ranging from beginner to more fun and advanced levels. My name is Thomas Jono, and I will be guiding you in your journey to learning Dominican Bachata. I represent Bachata Canada, a dance school in British Columbia, Canada, who specializes in teaching bachata among salsa and kizomba dancing. As a team member, I have traveled with Bachata Canada to learn salsa, bachata, and kizomba from some of the best instructors across the country and the world. I have designed this course for anyone who wants to learn basic footwork to more fun combinations. I will go over everything with you step by step to ensure that your learning is as easy as possible. At the end of this course, you will have gained knowledge on the basic moves and applied the footwork and techniques on the dance floor, and possibly creating your own patterns and combinations. I have also included at the end of this course a section on how to connect with your body, which will help improve on your dancing or make you into a better one. Feel free to go through the course description, and we'll see you inside.